We're back. We're back to it, and we're ready.
So it is really nice to kind of see the changes, see the innovation, see everything that's happening in the industry.
Our industry has always been and will always be focused on self-service.
You know, we get excited for this every year. Number one, to meet new operators. You always want to grow your business, so meet new operators, but we also get a chance to catch up with our current customers. Number one, thank them for being a partner with us. And number two is gathering feedback, showing them our new products.
We are the leaders. We are the innovators.